Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video I am going to talk about casings and power supplies. Recommendations are to get at least mini tower with 500 watt power supply. Though 600 watt would be better. For laptop the advice is to use only the genuine charger. Basis of these recommendations are discussed in this video. From last video. The recommendations to get minimum i5 with 4 logical processors and at least 2 GHz speed. Minimum 3rd generation processor is recommended. For new PC at least get 7th generation. And it is better to get a quad core than dual core. In this video, I will talk about casing and power supplies. The casings for desktops come into 2 or 3 forms. These include small form factors, mini towers. Although small forms factors save you space, but the disadvantage lies in add-on cards. You can only use low-profile cards. Full-height cards will not fit in small form factor. Power supply will be different. Notice the difference in height of small form factor. The full-height cards will not fit in these. I had real bad experience while upgrading. And ultimately I had to move to mini tower. There can be different types of casings. You can notice there is small form then desktop and mini tower. You can simply identify mini tower, the one which can hold DVD in horizontal position. This casing is wide enough to hold full-height cards. So the recommendation is to go for mini tower. This may be bit expensive, but saves money in long run. Upgrade is easy. We know computers need upgrading. Either its power supply, motherboard or graphic card. If you try to upgrade a small form factor, the chances are even power supply is useless. No standard size or wires. To move to new casing. Let's talk about power supply. Generally computers come with 200 to 350 watt of power supply. My recommendation is, if you are not getting a refurbished system and can have choice in power supply, or you are buying a new power supply, go below 500 watt. Even 600 would be better. But 500 watt is the minimum power supply that you should get today, because if you want to expand in future, less than 500 watt will need replacement. I have junk of 3 power supplies with me. Old supplies just occupying space. So you need to get at least 500 watt. You will better understand this requirement when I will talk about GPU. Let's discuss laptops. There are generally 2 types of laptops. One notebook. They are lightweight and easy to carry around, and There are mobile workstations. These are bulky, heavy, and difficult to carry around. But still, they are laptops. Good news, these mobile workstations are upgradable. You can upgrade GPU and CPU. They can hold maximum RAM. Their displays are above 15-inch. The choice is yours whether to get small notebook or big workstation. I can recommend any form. This is dependent on your requirement. I have both of them. Microsoft Surface is easy to carry. And heavy stuff is handled by workstation. Files get synced with Google Drive. Let's talk about power of laptops. I recommend genuine charger to use always. I had tried a cheap charger once and it ruined battery of laptop. I keep one charger at office and one at home. So I don't have to carry it daily. I have also tried new PD chargers. In car and regular too. Found them excellent. Just don't use cheap charger. Based on these experiences, if you are getting a desktop computer, get a mini tower. Power supply should be at least 500 watt. And for laptops, always use genuine chargers. Sleek laptop or a mobile workstation, choice is yours. In the next video I am going to talk about USB and Thunderbolt technology. And also explain Thunderbolt technology.